All right, everybody, here is the last of the food that I made over the summer. It's 1/6 scale and it's meant for Barbie size. These are the breakfast items that I made. I was trying to make a breakfast sandwich. So what I was trying to do was make some ham slices, like deli ham that you would fry up to put on a ham, egg, and cheese. I made some bacon pieces. I made one little turkey sausage patty. I made a slice of bread, untoasted. Then I did a slice of bread, toast it. I did 2 bagels. I made 2 muffins and put them in kind of like a little parchment paper. They look really cute in a Barbie muffin pan. This is like a coffee cake muffin. And then I did the same with a blueberry muffin. I made 2 sizes of eggs. These were my original eggs. They look really cute, but they were a little thick for the sandwich. So I decided to go with slightly flatter eggs to put on the sandwich. Then I did 2 little slices of cheese here. I did a little roll. And then I made some avocados because I wanted to do avocado toast for my Barbies. And then I did a loaf of bread and sliced it so it kind of all goes together. And that is the breakfast food items that I tried to make this summer. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think of my breakfast items and if I should actually try to sell these or not. I'm enjoying making them anyways. So Crafts by GZ, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram, Crafts by GZ. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my Barbie A-frame remake. All right, everybody. Bye.